Here we have a retirement of a professional gamer. Forced to retire due to a thumb injury.
Oh.
The dreaded thumb injury. Thomas Zuma Paparato announced that he's taking a step back from competitive Call of Duty. 25-year-old professional. He's made some money.
Guy.
He's made some money gaming. About $387,019 from 87 tournaments, according to esports earnings. His largest prize was from a single tournament. In 2018, he won $53,125 Call of Duty World War II competition. However, while he was part of FaZe Clan a few years back, he noticed weakness in his thumb and wrist, had surgery to repair it, fought back to get to like a normal status, thought he was going to get back into the playing, injury resurfaces, pain continues, can't perform at the high level. Very upsetting. Very upsetting for a person to go through something like this when it's something you're so good at, you spend so much time at, and then the body lets you down. It's tough, these movements, man.
Yeah.
So
And he's, 25?
only 25.
That's usually the time where they're kind of on the old side
Hey, man!
in pro gaming.
Hey,
no,
man!
It's true.
I told you were old the other day, and you got all sentimental, so you can't
Well,
call
I'm
someone
very old.
who's 25. Here's the tweet from Zuma. Can't help but get emotional seeing all the support. Wish I could respond to everyone, but just know I see all of you and appreciate all the kind words. Love all of you for real, and then the heart emoji. So shout out
Shout out.
Shout
Good
out
luck.
to Zuma. I'm sure you'll find some other cool thing to do as well. And, take a rest on the gaming.